siishi hapa, so I don't know your charges.
Kuna watu wanapitanga hapa wanachukua wameenda hivi.
Shika hapa. Zienda.
Hapa 500.
That's a lot of money. Hebu nikuulize. Hii area kuna place ni interior kama maushago hivi.
Labda
hakuna ushago hivi kidogo mali. Ni interior. Huko ndo tumetoka. So
ama ghetto.
Ghetto iko wapi huko?
Kama unaenda na Rwaka ghetto hapo ni
Githogoro. Okay. Huko unaweza nifikisha na how much? Kunifikisha 150. Sawa, twende.
Hapa kuna kuanga hotspot kwa kwenye kusnatchiwa.
Wapi hapa? Si unaona naingiza ndani ya mkono.
Unaona hata venye wananiangalia, wanaona kaa niko interested na hiyo nini.
Na hiyo kamera?
Kuna kuanga hotspot sana.
Ataanguka?
Sawa. Karia.
Sawa.
Fit.
Iko poa.
Naenda poa.
Yeah. Guys, so this is Kiambu Road.
Yes.
This is Kiambu Road, guys. Yeah. It's Kiambu Road. This is where, even the rich people, most rich people live along this road, which is called Kiambu Road. So when you come to Kenya, you can come to Kiambu Road. You can visit Kiambu Road, which is just a few kilometers from Nairobi. Yeah. So for how long have you been doing your job?
I've been doing this job for like 1 year.
For 1 year?
Yeah, 1 year.
Oh, so you haven't done it for so long?
No, I haven't done it for so long. I just bought my motorbike last year.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how is the job?
My job is doing good.
It's doing good?
Yeah, I can't complain so much.
Yeah.
I can't complain so much.
You can't complain. You normally carry along this area, along this road.
Yeah.
Okay. That's nice.
Yeah.
So how many people do you carry like in a day? On a good day and on bad days, how many people do you always carry?
On a bad day?
Yeah.
It will depend. Maybe you can carry like 2 or 3 people. Depending.
On a bad day?
Yeah.
You can carry like 2 to 3 people?
Or 5.
Or 2 to 5 people?
Yeah. But on a good day, more than 10 people.
Oh, up to 10 people. So you make a lot of money on good days.
You might carry some people for a short distance.
So the money is not so good.
Yeah, where you will not charge them so much money.
Yeah.
Yeah, like distance of 50.
Okay.
Yeah, so you see like
so 50 shillings is around I think 50 cents, in US dollars.
Yeah. In US dollars is 50 cents.
Yeah, it's around 50 cents.
50 cents.
Yeah.
But here is 50 shillings.
Okay.
Yeah.
So on a good day you make around how many thousands?
I can make
2,000.
Yes.
Oh, that's good money. And you work every day from Monday to Sunday?
Yes. Maybe today I decide I will not be on the job today.
Okay. Yeah. So you sometimes you can just decide, oh, today I don't feel like working.
people,
Yeah.
they went to church where they come very early.
Oh, they go to church
And then they
maybe
leave early.
very early,
Yeah,
and then they come back to
continue,
work.
Yeah, they continue with their
Okay.
daily basis.
Ah, yeah, by then it's true.
Yeah,
Most people will go to church at around even 7 in the morning, and then by 11 in the morning,
Yeah.
they are done with church.
Yeah, churches.
So
like,
they go back to their work.
Yes,
Yeah,
churches
that's
like
what people do.
churches like Catholics. Yeah, PCA.
Yeah,
By 1 p.m.
exactly. Yeah.
You are at home.
Exactly. By 1 p.m. people are just at home, others are going back to work,
Yeah.
and others are just going to sit with their families. Yeah, mostly on Sundays.
Yeah.
But on the other days, especially on Mondays to Fridays, people are always so busy with work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
They are just doing what they do daily.
Huh?
They do what they do on a daily
Yeah, on a
basis.
daily basis. Okay, but Kenya is a good country.
Yeah. So where are you from?
Pardon?
Where are you from?
Me?
Yeah.
Okay, me live in Garden Estate. Yeah, so but I have a YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel is Mone. So if you go to YouTube, you can just search for Mone, which is MBONE, and you will see my videos there. Exactly.
So from here,
Yeah.
this is where Githogoro starts.
Oh, this is Githogoro.
Yeah,
This place is called Githogoro.
Githogoro.
I've heard of Githogoro, but
We are
I
here.
didn't know where it was.
This is a Green Hotel.
It is?
Green Hotel for President.
Oh, that's Glee Hotel.
Yeah.
Glee Hotel. That's Glee Hotel. Oh, he's the one who owns it. Oh, I've never known
But
that.
you know we whisper such as
Exactly, you have to whisper. This one, you don't just say them loudly.
So this is called Githogoro.
Yeah, so this is Githogoro.
Yeah, on this way we connect it up to Ruaka. You know Ruaka?
I know Ruaka. I've been to Ruaka, but I haven't walked there. Just by passing.
Oh, my pass.
Yeah, I haven't walked.
Which way?
Pardon?
Which way did you pass on?
Just on the road.
You don't know.
And then there was a popular place where people used to eat
So
there.
you want us to pass by or we can enter?
Oh, so this is Ruaka? Already?
No, Githogoro.
Ah,
This is
Githogoro is better. Let's just go inside. here.
Inside?
Yeah.
Okay, let's pass it there.
Okay.
You are safe. Don't worry. This is. Or you want to interview them?
Unless I walk. Okay.
Eh?
Unless I walk a little bit and show them the place, and then if I see there's something I can show them, maybe I can interview, then I can do it.
You walk or you safe?
Yeah, I'm safe. I'm safe.
You are safe.
But it's not dangerous here. Is it dangerous? But I'm safe. You see, the place is just open. It's not even at night.
But don't allow yourself to enter on a
Yeah. Interior places.
Just use
The main road.
main road.
Okay, thank you. No problem. Yeah. So let me send you your money. No, I think it's not on M-Pesa. I have it in cash.
If you want to be on a safe side, just use
The main road. I just use the main road. Yeah, I'm gonna use the
where
main
you
road.
can see yourself.
Yeah.
You understand?
Exactly. How much were you charging me?
You say how much?
150. Okay.
Right here you are. I'm not wrong, I need any.
No, I don't need any help right now. I'm okay. Yeah.
Me, I want to make sure you are safe.
Yeah,
you
I'm
feel
safe,
comfort.
by the way. I'm
you are
safe.
feel comfortable.
Yeah, I am safe. So, I'm gonna leave you with that 50 bob tip.
Yes.
Thank you for bringing me here.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you
are
so
at
much.
Githogoro.
I'm at Githogoro. This place is called Githogoro.
Githogoro.
Okay, let me try to show people around.
So you can just walk around.
I walk around there.
This tarmac road is just go there.
Okay.
Or you can use the other one that it looks like this one.
It's over there.
But don't allow yourself to.
Okay, to go in the interior places.
Like those ones.
Like inside, yeah. I'll not be going there. Thank you. What's your name, by the way?
I'm Joseph Monikarioti.
You are Joseph?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
And you are?
Me, I am Mbone.
I forgot.
So when you go to YouTube, you can just search for Mbone. You'll see my channel over there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I appreciate. Okay. Yeah. So guys. Hi. Mko poa? Hamtaki hizi za kugota? Mnataka mkono? Mko poa? Na hamuuzi vitu za mademu?
Tuambie una record juu ya
na record juu ya YouTube. Si TikTok, YouTube. Yeah. Travel vlogs, travel videos.
So you're traveling?
Yeah.
So unajita
Mbone. Yeah. Mbone.
Just Mbone.
M-B-O-N-E.
Mbone,
just Mbone. Nimetoka hapo Garden Estate.
Garden Estate au Windsor?
Si nimeletwa na hiyo ni boda hapa.
Garden Estate Windsor.
Unaona Windsor unapanda juu. Yeah.
So you're from there?
I'm from there.
And you're vlogging?
And I'm vlogging.
So you're trying to... So I'm online when I'm talking with you?
Yeah, you're online, of course.
Online?
Exactly.
Yeah,
you're online. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is...
Promote your business.
I'm not gonna show you.
This is your business. You see, this is not his business. That's why he's talking too much.
No.
Promote your business.
Hi guys.
Let me talk too much, but
wait.
Hi guys. Mate wa handsome. Amatofa.
Okay.
Ni busy yangu.
You can see he's selling the jackets, t-shirts, and some capes.
Luku mbaya mbaya, vitu safi.
Yeah, in Kenya we call it luku.
Lumbo tu.
Yeah,
lumbo tu.
exactly.
And we have...
Oh my god! Okay, thank you. Okay guys, so guys, you've seen, those are the businesses. Those guys are selling some capes, some jackets and t-shirts. If you ever come to Kenya and you want to promote them, you can come to Githogoro. This place is called Githogoro, and you can go buy from them. Guys, I'm telling you, it's too hot and I feel like I'm sweating. So let's keep going. This place is called Githogoro, as I've been told. I've never been here. This is my first time here. Let's see what we have in Githogoro. Hi. So let's keep going. So here, basically, this looks like a ghetto. People are selling tomatoes, vegetables, clothes, everything. Even we have live chicken. If you want to buy chicken, you can just buy your chicken over here and they'll slaughter it for you. So guys, if you ever come to Kenya, you can get even live chicken and they will slaughter it for you. Either you go slaughter it by yourself or they'll slaughter it for you, so that you just go home and cook the chicken. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm sweating so much. Hakuna?
Oh, si habari.
Si habari.
Unajichukua video ukiwa town.
Yeah?
Unajichukua video ukiwa town. Na tunichukua hata mimi.
Si ndio huyo wewe nimekuchukua sasa.
Niko wapi?
Unaweza jiona ukienda YouTube,
Na sasa
when you go to YouTube, you can search for my channel.
Yeah.
And then you see yourself. What's your name?
Felix.
Felix.
Yeah.
What do you do?
Kazi ya nyumbani.
Hautaki kujipromote?
Labda kesho.
Okay, no problem.
I like to pass here.
Okay, you're going that side?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Wow.
Okay. So guys, these are the locals of Githogoro. Yeah. And they are friendly people. So if you ever come to this place, expect to find all kinds of people here. Whew, I'm telling you, the sun is up. It's quite hot. Yeah. Whew. And you can see people are selling some donuts, have chips, clothes, and people guys are staring like crazy. Let me buy here something. You see, this is chips. Nani anauza? Okay. Sawa.
Tunarekodiwa live wapi?
Ni YouTube. Yeah. Mbone. Mbone. Yeah. Mbone.
So ni live.
Unaweza ingia, but it's not live. After I've recorded the video, I post it later. Yeah. So it's not live. I record and then I post later. So how much are you selling?
50.
From 50?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sasa nishaitwa tena nilika chumbani na usalimie subscribers wako.
Okay, you can do it. Just do it.
Waambie cheki mwingie TikTok mtafute Kolomosh Mr. Onadi hapo hivyo. Tutabambika wote msubscribe hadi mimi nitasubscribe kwa Mbone.
Yeah.
I'll subscribe in Mbone's YouTube account.
Yeah, by the way, subscribe.
Thank you all for watching.
Okay. It's how much? Starting from how much? 50 bob. Okay.
Okay, ngapi?
So you know how much, like for example?
Ikijaza hii itakuwa 50.
Oh. I think I want half of that. Yeah.
That's
Whatever. Just put for me half of that. I don't want to eat too much. Yeah. So you put for me in a plate. So guys, this is street food in Kenya. This is cheap. These are French fries. This is how we get French fries here in Kenya, like this one. She's selling them from 50 shillings, which is it 5 cents or 50 cents? Yeah, maybe. I'll convert for you the prices. Yeah, down there.
Should I want it?
No. So guys, if you come here and you want French fries, they can warm it for you. Yeah, food for me kachumbari. They can warm it for you. You can see this is how they look. This is the French fries, and they put kachumbari. Kachumbari is salad, and we also have some salt and tomato. You don't have chili? Street food in Kenya. Yeah. Let's eat some French fries here. This is so tasty. This is guys. So this costs 50 shillings. This costs 50 shillings, guys. You can see we have kachumbari over here, which is salad, which is a mixture of tomato, onions, and what? and coriander, tomatoes, onions, and coriander. Yeah, that's it. So for how long have you been selling here? 1 year, and the business is good. So she's been selling for a whole year, and everything is going so good for her. Yeah. So guys, when you come to Kenya, you can this place is called Githogoro. This is Raka. It's Raka. Oh, it's on your way to Raka. So if you ever want to come here, this place is called Githogoro. The locals are so good, and you can find street food over here. So anytime you can come to this place. So guys, I have to go because I can't finish this because finally I don't have an appetite. Yeah, so guys, that's it. It's how much? Or 30? Oh, so guys, this is not 50, this is 30 shillings, and I'm going to pay 30. I'm going to pay 30 shillings for this one that I've eaten. And you can keep the change. Yeah, you can keep the change. Thank you so much. Okay. So guys, that was French fries I was eating, and it was really good. Yeah, it was really good. So guys, if you ever come to this place, if you ever come to Kenya, you can come to Githogoro and get some street food for yourself. Enjoy life in Kenya. Life in Kenya is really
kitu ambayo ni muhimu sana kwa simu yako, kitu ambayo inajulikana kama screen protector. Screen protector tunakuwekea kwa bei nafuu, tunakuwekea kwa shilingi 100 tu pekee yake.
We have people running supermarket businesses. We have people selling even soup on the road. Yeah, even fish and tomatoes and vegetables. So guys, supermarkets are here. So if you ever come to Kenya, feel free to visit this place. Yeah, even goat soup. Is it goat soup? Yeah, goat soup. Maize. We have a posho meal. Ugali is our staple food. So we have posho meals everywhere. So when you come to Kenya, you should expect to eat ugali. You should expect to ugali is a staple food. Ugali and sukuma wiki. Yeah, ugali and sukuma wiki. And we also have nyama choma and kachumbari. Even you saw my chips, my French fries were having kachumbari. So expect kachumbari in Kenya here. So guys, let's keep going. Some kids are coming from school because it's in the evening. People are now coming from school. The kids just opened the school. Yeah, so guys, if you ever come to Kenya, feel free to come to visit this place, which is Githogoro. You can see we even have some houses over there. Yeah, and it's looking really good.
Even us, we are here.
Yeah, what's your name?
Lalimo.
Lalimo.
Yeah.
Okay, Instagram. Tell them to follow you. Or you're not on social media.
You're live. This is the team. This is an artist.
Rasukomata, Antidote Society.
Are you musicians? Okay.
Millionaires, rapper.
Guys, please follow them on. That's your Instagram.
Yeah.
Okay. Instagram.
We are even at YouTube.
On YouTube.
We usually we act, sing, dance. Yeah.
Okay. What's your YouTube name?
Antidote Society.
Okay. They'll follow you guys. Okay. Thank you. So guys, yeah, please follow them. Support the youth. They are doing some great things. We have some people who are just on the streets stealing for others, but these ones are doing very, very awesome work. So guys, please feel free to follow them. Yeah. So guys, this is the end of the road. You can see poa sana mambo. I'm at the end of the road. So guys, I'm gonna stop this videos from here. Sema hi. Yeah guys, so those are Kenyans, those are locals here in Kenya. So guys, you've seen the way Kenyans are very friendly. Yeah. So I'm gonna end this video here. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, watch my videos. Yeah, thank you so much.